Welcome to this tutorial video for Insta360 Flow2 Pro. This guide will walk you through the first steps of using your Flow2 Pro. Align the arrow on the magnetic phone clamp with your phone's camera direction. Securely attach the clamp to the center of your phone. Match the clip's groove with the gimbal's red dot and interface as shown. For iPhone users, alternatively, use the magnetic clamp for easier installation. During installation, ensure the indicator line on the accessory is perpendicular to the bottom edge of the phone. Hold the gimbal handle securely with your right hand. Use your left hand to grasp the arm as shown, and gently apply force in the direction of the arrow. Then extend. You're ready to go. Once expanded, the gimbal's auto node light will remain on, indicating it's active. If the mode light stays red and the gimbal does not stabilize, check that the magnetic clamp is installed correctly. Ensure the small red dot is fully pressed and secure. Press and hold the power button to turn off the gimbal. Hold the phone mount with your left hand and fold the gimbal arm. Ensure the pin clicks securely into place. And you're done. Hold the gimbal like this for quick handheld shooting. Extend the tripod legs from the gimbal for stable, fixed position shooting. Pull out the built-in selfie stick from the gimbal. Rotate the connection between the selfie stick and the gimbal upwards by 90 degrees. Double-click the trigger button and shoot from a low angle seamlessly. Fully expand the gimbal to activate it. Ensure the auto mode indicator light is on. Connect your device to Wi-Fi and enable cellular data. Then turn on Bluetooth. Download the latest version of the Insta360 app. Open the app and follow the prompts to enable all necessary permissions. Once the app is open, it will automatically detect the gimbal. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Once activated, you'll be directed to the shooting interface. After the first activation, the gimbal will automatically connect to the app every time it's powered on. Use NFC for quick pairing with compatible devices. For iOS users, enjoy native tracking through Apple Docket. On Android, enable one-touch connection for simplified, faster shooting. The gimbal is equipped with two USB-C ports clearly labeled for input and output. The port marked in is for charging the Flow2 Pro. During charging, the indicator lights on the gimbal will light up one by one. Once fully charged, all indicator lights will remain illuminated. The port labeled Auto serves as an output. You can use the gimbal as a power bank to charge other devices. Handy when you're on the go. When the gimbal is off or stored, all indicator lights will be turned off. To charge other devices, connect your device to the gimbal first, then press the M button to activate this feature. When powered off, press the M button to check the battery level. Long press the M button to power on the gimbal. Press the M button 3 times to put the gimbal into sleep mode. During this time, the mode lights will slowly fade on and off. Press any key to reactivate the gimbal. After turning on the gimbal, tap the M button to cycle through modes in a clockwise sequence. Double tap the M button to switch modes in reverse. All modes are shown here. To start shooting, press the trigger button. Tap the switch button to toggle between front and rear cameras. Double tap to switch phone orientation. Use the joystick to adjust the gimbal composition. Turn the smart wheel left or right and release to quickly adjust zoom levels. Slowly turning the wheel will create a smoother zoom. During shooting, press the trigger button to activate Deep Tracking 4.0. The circular light will turn green, indicating tracking is active. The gimbal will automatically capture targets in the frame. To turn off, simply tap the trigger button again. Short press the C button to activate a 360-degree panorama. Long press the C button to start a barrel roll effect. Double tap the trigger button to reset the gimbal to its default position. To reverse the phone orientation, simply tap the trigger button 3 times. Great for getting a selfie with the power of your rear camera. Open the Insta360 app. Tap the trigger button or the bottom camera icon to enter the shooting interface. Swipe at the bottom of the screen to change shooting modes. You can also switch modes by swiping the smart wheel. Press the shutter button to start shooting. Use the preview button to replay your captured footage. Apply filters and effects during shooting. Use gesture controls for hands-free shots. Start shooting automatically with just one hand. Easily release your videos or photos quickly with our handy AI editing suite. That's it for this video. Be sure to check out our app's tutorial page for further help, or visit our official help center over on our website. We'll see you in the next video.